All right, friends, let's talk welding 101, the beginner's guide, starting at the basics. So the first thing we need to talk about is, what is welding? Welding is the melting of metals, the fusing of metals together by way of an electric arc. So we're using electricity. We're using electrical current to melt metals and fuse them together. When we use our arc welder, our stick welder, our MIG, or our TIG, or our oxy welder, we are running temperatures that could range from 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit up to 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Really hot stuff, really hot. We are melting that base metal and the filler metal and fusing those together and making a new bond. So when we do that, we are running electrical current, we're passing it through a gaseous gap, and then that electrode, that filler metal, melts as we are melting that base metal. That is what happens when we are welding with a stick welder or a MIG welder or a TIG welder. So, I know I've said 3 different types of welding and you might be thinking, I have no idea what that is. That's okay, we're going to cover that. This is the basics. We're going to start the basics and we're going to move to where you are striking arcs and you are welding stringer beads. So, one thing we also need to talk about is the arc produces light. Not just the visible light we see, that's one of the lights. It also produces ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light will give you a sunburn. You have to protect yourself from that, just like if you were going to the beach and you were going to hang out at the beach all day. That's ultraviolet light that gives you that sunburn. So we have to protect ourselves from that. Welding also produces infrared light. Infrared light is light felt as heat. You can feel that heat. So when we weld, we have to protect ourselves from 3 different lights. That visible light is really, really, really bright, super bright. So we have to protect ourselves, our eyes, from that light. Okay, folks, that's just the intro. That's what welding is. We're melting metal, making a new bond, fusing that together. Next we'll talk about how to protect ourselves from those hazards.